So here I have an image, but as you can see, I need to reformat it for a landscape format, and it doesn't have any background continuing on. So what I do is grab the select tool, overlay a little bit of the image so it grabs some of the information there, and say extend background. Click generate. Takes a little bit of time. There we go, it's extended my background. And if you don't want to type specific instructions, if you just click generate, it will extend the background based on the information that it has already. It's not perfect, it's far from perfect. In fact, you can see a little bit of cloning effects. Actually, this one's pretty good. I want some more birds in here. So I'm going to say add flying birds. So that's not great. Gives me 3 options of birds. Smaller birds in the distance. So yeah, it's a bit hit and miss. Make birds smaller and in the background. So yeah, there's still a place for designers, but it is making our current workflows much easier. That's a bit better. I mean, they're eagles. I don't think there's going to be eagles in. I think this is Singapore, but you know, it'll do.